So right now, I'm not quite sure what to do. I've had a bad review online and I did some investigations into the review. The review's down, but that's the least of my concerns. I'm genuinely concerned for the safety of the person that left the review. I mean, this is a real live Stan situation. I don't know if you've ever heard the song Stan by Eminem, where he had a fan and then the fan turned crazy and Eminem didn't respond to a letter or didn't sign an autograph. Stan himself, and it was like kind of on Eminem's conscience, but the guy was a fruitcake. Let me explain this story and I want you to tell me how I would deal with this. Obviously I'm going to keep it anonymous. This is the review that I had. Went on his course and didn't learn anything. Samuel makes all his money from selling courses and doesn't actually care about his customers. Complete liar. Would give 0 stars if I could. Wow. So that was the review. Now that went up. It is now down because we reported the review. And the reason we reported it is because it's defamatory. I mean, complete liar. It's not true. The interesting part is I did some digging and found who left me the review because I matched the names up. And it was somebody who previously had messaged me on Instagram. And I'm going to read through the messages and then I'm going to ask your opinion on what you would do if you were me in this situation right now. This bad review person messaged me in May last year. Okay, so about 10 months ago, saying, I will do anything to work for you, even as a servant in your house for no pay. I just need to be around you. Please, I'm begging you, give me a chance. So I got that message in May last year, and I responded because I respond to pretty much all DMs that come in. I must say, when I get messages like this, like people say, I'm begging, I want to come and work for you and live in your house, and it's a little bit strange, you know, but you want to be nice. And of course the person's, I don't know what they're thinking or the angle they're coming at. So I responded and said, hi mate, I'm sorry, but we're not really looking for servants in our home. But if you want to be around me, you're welcome to come to a crash course. Alternatively, find some good support networks around your home. All the best. He then responded and said, I'm shocked. You even responded, wow, thank you, Samuel. You're not like all the other educators. You actually care. I must have watched every single one of your YouTube videos and my family think I'm crazy. I'm really struggling at the moment and am unemployed. Do you know of any good support networks? I will not stop until we are doing deals together. Again, like slightly strong, right? So I responded and just said, get around good people and remember to enjoy the process. Building wealth takes time, but I sincerely hope to see you win. He then messaged a few times like just telling me how much of a fan he was and putting fire emojis and things like that. But that was kind of the last dialect. So last time I spoke to him until January this year, end of Jan, I get a message from this person saying this. This is where things take a turn. I came to the crash course like you said, and I found the best deal in the room, but you wouldn't even get me on stage to pitch it to you. Is there any chance of just a 5-minute call with you? I don't remember even at the time whether I saw this message right away or not, but I didn't respond to that message. I mean, this kind of person is like, he's come to a crash course, he's now wanting a phone call, he wanted to live in my house. It's a little bit much, right? Now upset with me that I didn't get him on stage to pitch his deal when there's like 300 people at the crash course. Hands up, I didn't respond, so he messaged again. 5 minutes on the phone is all I need to completely change my life. I know you are a man of God. I'm begging you. Again, I didn't respond to that message. I can't remember at the time whether I saw it or not, but that was left unresponded to. But again, it's like when people say this kind of thing, 5 minutes, I'm begging you. It's just like, no, just stop it. Stop it. He then messaged me just a question mark, and then again a question mark, and then again another question mark. So this was the ultimate now. This was the ultimate message. This is where it gets very Stan-like. I can almost hear the music. Dong, dum, dong, dum, dong. You don't really care about people. You clearly only care about making money. I thought you were different. All I asked for was 5 minutes, but you didn't even have the decency to respond. Sorry I even asked, mate.
And all I wanted was a lousy letter or a call. I hope you know I ripped all of your pictures off the wall.
What do you say to that? What are you going to say? Oh, sorry. Yeah, I can do 5 minutes. Or no, mate, like, go away. Get a life. I don't know what to say. So now he left a bad review. Then the bad review was defamatory because he said I was a liar. I mean, it's in the interest as well. Like, he left a bad review saying, I wish I could have given it 0 stars and Samuel's awful. Number one, he's not a customer. Yes, he came to a crash course, but the crash course is a £1 course. The only reason we charge £1 to check you're a real person is basically free. So he never invested in any training and now he's giving bad reviews. And now I don't know what to do. What are your thoughts? Should I try and reach out to this kid, give him another chance? Should I move on? What's the lesson from this? Some people are very strange. So I'm just literally running my business, helping people, providing a brilliant product or service. 99.9% of people really enjoy and benefit from the teachings and the content and the programs, building my wealth. Like, how do you deal with the crazy scams of society? Let me know in the comments.